Okay, cleaning lady's gone. Maybe get a haircut tomorrow. Got to sell the camera. Already posted the camera because the shop that I got it from, they won't accept it. So because it's already opened, so I'm gonna sell it. And then I'm gonna go over to. I already posted it on Facebook Marketplace, and okay, we're gonna go to the dealership right now to get some touch-up paint so I can fix that wing. Hey, Louie boy, man, every time I get ready to go somewhere, this guy here wants to roll. He want to go with, but I can't take him with me because I gotta go to the dealership, buddy. Now I'm just gotta look for. Oh, here they go. So I was looking for batteries for this camera. So what I'm carrying is right now is it's got my long range lens and my long range drone, just in case we go somewhere and get some content. Just gonna want to roll with me, man. That's why I always feel bad. Like I want to take them with me, but some places I just can't take them, you know. I'm just gonna go to the dealership, and yeah. All right, got everything. Got my hat just in case. Oh shoot! I gotta go get me gotta go to TNC Surf, pick up my 2 shirts over there. Alright.
A few minutes later.
R plus R.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Oh, Type R Civic. Type R.
Okay.
Hey, just curious, how much is the oil filter for a Honda Fit?
$12.17.
Oh, for the, that's it, 12 bucks?
$12.17. Yeah.
Okay, I think I'll get one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you need the oil drain plug washer too?
How much is that? $1 or something?
No, it's like 75 cents.
Oh, sure. Shit sound like trash, dude. Fucking rattling. Mids and highs are all sound fucked up. But damn, check us out. Okay, I'm gonna go right over there, grab some L&Ls because I didn't eat all day. I haven't eaten since yesterday.